Zebra mussels. Zebra mussels are an invasive species. What is an invasive species? Well, an invasive species is a type of plant or animal that isn't native to the area. Native means that it's from the area and is supposed to be there. Invasive species push out the native species, which can harm the environment and the people. Let's learn a little more about this invasive species, the zebra mussel. They can be white with brown or black stripes on their shell, kind of like zebras. They can be 1 or 2 inches at very most for their size. The one on this page is about 2 times the actual size. It has a lifespan of 4 to 5 years, and the female zebra mussel can lay between 30,000 and 1 million eggs per year. I'd say that's pretty invasive. And they live in water that's 6 to 24 feet deep. How did zebra mussels get here, and how do they travel? Well, by water. Let me explain. Big ships cruise through Russia in the water. Zebra mussels become attached to the hull or the front part of the ships, and the zebra mussels are supposed to stay in that water. When the big Russian ships come into our fresh water, their hulls scrape along the sand and deposit the zebra mussels into the water. Zebra mussels travel on the hulls of boats because they attach to hard surfaces. So what's the impact? Well, boat engines get clogged, swimmers and people who play in the water can get hurt, and scuba divers can lose out on places to dive, like shipwrecks. Colonies of zebra mussels can obscure them because they like to go on the walls. Zebra mussels can also harm the environment and other living species. Zebra mussels disrupt the food chain by eating the valuable parts that are meant for the native species, like the little microorganisms. These outsiders disrupt the ecosystem of the lake or freshwater they're in. They also attach themselves to native mussels, which can reduce or eliminate what's supposed to be there. Lastly, they can increase environmental pollutants. So, how do we stop the spread? The national campaign Stop Aquatic Hitchhikers mentions a few things. You can clean your boat. You can remove vegetation from items in the water. You can flush out anything that's touching the water, specifically the engine cooling systems, wells, and any bilges with hot tap water. Don't reuse bait if it's been in infested water. You can dry your boat for at least 48 hours, no matter what kind of water it's been in. And lastly, use your eyes. If you see any mussels or algae on any part of your boat, let it dry for 5 days and then take it back in the water. Thank you very much.